In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly create a first-person controller on a cube by using an existing script that came with a bundle. Let's create a plane and press S to scale, press 5 and enter. Press G, Z, and -1. Tab to go to the edit mode, and press 3. Let's select this top face, and press Shift S to bring the 3D cursor there. Select the camera and press Shift S to bring the camera to the 3D cursor like this. Let's put zeros for cameras Y and Z and 90 for X. Move the camera like this. Select the camera, and Shift select the cube. Press Ctrl P to set the cube as camera's parent. Select the cube and go to Object Data. Let's add a trait called the bundle. Select First Person Controller. We need to save the file. If we run the game like this, the controller won't work. We didn't set the rigid body when we had to. Let's set the collision shapes as boxes for both meshes, but uncheck dynamic for the plane. Let's try again. It's working perfectly. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.